In this video, we're going to take the budget balance to the next step, and we're going to talk about debt. Debt is the total amount that somebody owes, in this case, a government. So let's say we start with $1,000 in debt, and we have these budget balances that we did in the other video. So if we start with $1,000 in debt and we have a deficit of 100, a deficit adds to the debt. So if I spend more than I bring in a year, I need to get that money from somewhere. I have to borrow it. So the debt, we start with 1,000. We have a deficit that we're going to have the 1,000 plus the amount of the deficit. So the new debt would be 1,100. Now a surplus means we brought in more than we spent, so we can use that excess to pay down the debt. So the debt's going to be 1,100 minus the 200 from the surplus, and we're going to have $900 in debt left. Okay, so the next year we had a deficit that adds to the debt, so we have 900 plus 100, so we have a new debt at the end of year 3 of 1,000. Now in year 4, we have the balanced budget. That means we spent exactly what we brought in. So balanced budgets have no impact on the debt. So if you hear someone say, oh, if we have a balanced budget, the debt's gone, that's not true. It just means the debt doesn't get any bigger. Okay, so this last year we have a deficit of 400, so we're going to add that to the current debt. So we're going to have 1,000 plus 400 equals 1,400.